Hi, this is Ezekiel again, your messengerbot guide. Today, I will show you how to use one of our flow builder component, which is the Facebook Media component. This is best used if you want to send a specific post on your page to your customer automatically. Let's say you have a Facebook page that focuses on your own vlogs. You can give your followers an option to view that specific Facebook media that you have posted on your Facebook page without the hassle of scrolling through all of your posts. Okay, now the best deal here is that for $9.99 a month, you can get all of these features and automations using only one single platform, which is the messengerbot. So I suggest you grab it now or try it for free using our free trial. If you like everything that I've told you so far, please watch the whole video. Before we continue, please do subscribe to our channel and share this video. Okay, now let's go to our messenger bot. Now, for us to go to our flow builder, just navigate in this left section of your messenger bot and look for Messenger Tools. Under it, you will see the Bot Manager. That's where you will see the Flow Builder. Okay. Now here is our Chatbot Flow Builder. As you can see, we don't have any created chatbot yet. But for you to create one, we just need to click the Create New Flow. Also, please note that if you want to change what social media platform you want to use this flow builder or this chatbot, just click this Change to Instagram here before you create a flow builder or a chatbot. Now let's go back to our Facebook page. Okay, now it's worth mentioning that we also have ready to use templates here. For your chatbot needs, we have real estate, automotive, collect customer feedback, customer chat widget, and anything that you can think of. If you don't want to create a chatbot on your own, you can just use these templates here to guide yourself, or it will help you guide how to use our chatbot flow builder. But it is very easy to create a chatbot on your own. It is just a drag and drop, so you don't need codings here. Okay, now let's create our first chatbot using our Facebook Media component. Let's click Create New Flow. Okay, now this is the first component you will always see when you click Create Flow Builder. This is where it all starts. Now, for this component to work, for this start bot flow to work, we need a trigger component. We have two of those. We have trigger keywords and also an action button. For you to select one of these, just click and drag it here. Now, the trigger keywords is when you enter a word here. If the customer type that word, your bot will start automatically. Now here in this action button, the customer will receive a literal button. Then if the customer select that button, the bot will start, or the bot will be triggered. Okay, for this tutorial, I will use the trigger keywords. Of course, for you to delete a component that you have put in here, just right click, then click delete or click clone. Also, make sure that you always connect your bot or your components to each other. Then to input details inside this component, just double click it. Then here is where you will enter the details you need. So here we will enter the word that we want our bot to respond to. So let's say hello. Also have the options of the exact keyword match or the string match. The exact keyword match is that the customer need to type this word specifically. And in the string match, if the customer send you a sentence with the word that you put here, the bot will also start. Let's click done. There. Now, we have finished entering our first component here. Now here in the start bot flow, we need to name it. So let's say, since this is a video for the Facebook media component, let's name it after that. FB component demo. You also have the options to select a label here. Then once you're done, just click the done. Okay. Now of course, we need to welcome our customer. For that specific scenario or for that specific needs, the text button will do its job. Here you can enter any text that you want the customer to receive. So of course, don't forget to connect it. Then, let's enter the welcome message our customer will receive. Okay, let's say, thank you for visiting my Facebook page. Enjoy watching my vlogs. So let's say this chatbot that we are creating is for your Facebook page for your personal vlogs. Of course, you have the options to select the typing on display and also select the name in the first name and the last name of the customer if you want to address them. Then once you're done, just click done. Okay, now we have successfully created our text component here. Now, of course, let's say we want to update the customer about our vlogs, our latest vlogs. So let's just use another text here and then inform the customer that they have the option to choose your updated or your previous vlogs. So please choose the option below for new and old vlogs. Now if you want to give the customer an option to choose from, you can use the button component here or the quick reply. Now just for you to use a button component, just click the button, then drag it anywhere in the screen. There. You can also do it on the other sockets here. Let's say the next, you will have the option of all the compatible components for this specific component here. So here is our button component. Let's make it 2. There. Now let's say in this button, let's name it as new video vlogs. And then the button type, you can select a multiple of options here. You can gather emails from your customer, phone number, location, anything here. But for this tutorial, I will just use the new post back. Then click done. So let's say this second options here is the previews vlog episodes. Now this is just an example to give you an idea how you can use our Facebook media component. It's up to you how to use all of these features on your own. So you can play it around and discover multiple uses of this component here. That's the good thing about our flow builder in messengerbot. You can experiment using all of these components to get what best suits your needs. Okay, let's say previews, old previews, vlogs episodes, then new post back. Then here at the new post back, you need to enter a title here. Let's say just new videos. If you have created a sequence message, you can also use it here. But if you don't have one, just leave it blank and click done. Great. Now we will use our Facebook media component. There. Now since in my Facebook page demo, I don't have any video posts, I will just use an image post since that is also a Facebook media. But the idea or the ideal post that you will use here is a vlog post on your Facebook page. So I will just use the post that I see on my Facebook page demo for the sake of our tutorial here. So let's just connect it. Then here in the Facebook media, you can enter your Facebook media URL or your post URL here. Now here is my post URL. There. Now let's enter the same here. Okay, now we have created a very simple chatbot. Now for you to save this chatbot here, just press Ctrl S or press this button here. Great. Now, let's try it in action. Just click your Facebook page here. Then you will be redirected to your Facebook page. Here is my Facebook page demo. Now I will just select my Facebook account, then message this Facebook page. So if you remember, the trigger keyword that I have used is the hello word. Okay. Now the bot will reply. There, now we have the option to choose here. Now if you select the new video, we will receive the post that we have created on our Facebook page here. Now if this is a video, the video will be sent here. Then the customer will be able to replay it. There. Okay, I hope you guys learn a lot from this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or comments, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. And please do subscribe in this video and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when new videos comes out. Okay, let's wrap it up here. Have a very wonderful day. Bye.